Yung mukha ng UHC is primary care. Ulitin ko Yang UHC na model, kung tao ho yan, ang mukha ho na yan, the face of UHC is primary care. The model of UHC ho, okay, nandyan ho talaga yung primary care. So that is why it's also written in the law, all Filipinos are required to be a member of primary care. So kung 110 Filipinos so tayo ngayon, 110 million Filipinos, nasa batas, lahat ho yan dapat ay required na nakaregister sa isang primary care provider. So kung nasa batas ho yan, at they will implement it dahil kumpleto na yung ingredients nila, okay? Mag-o-open ba kayo ng konsulta provider? Kasi required sa batas that 110 Filipino, let's just say 110 million Filipinos, everybody is required to be a member of a konsulta provider or a primary care provider, which is konsulta. Okay? Are you going to open a primary care provider facility? May I know? Mag-o-open ba kayo?